All right, so we are doing a quick drill to work on catching passes because we're having issues with hand strength. So this is something you can do at home. If you just have a garage floor, that's fine. You don't need a big fancy tile area like this. So player's going to get in a hockey position. Your hands are going to be on your stick properly. You don't want them too high. You don't want them too low. You want it about somewhere right about there, right? Okay? So as I pass it, he's got to give with the pass. Start with solid passes. Make sure that the puck is rolling off the heel of the stick and staying flat on the ice. As your player gets better and you can progress more and more, start giving them hard passes. Okay, good puck. Remember, as your player gets the passes, if they're having trouble collecting them, emphasize to give with the puck. Treat it like an egg. Jensen, take a step forward. Treat it like an egg. If you catch it, you're giving with it. And I get harder and harder as I go. Okay? Okay? And if you want to modify it, it can be a pass to a shot. So I can give a hard pass, shot. Okay? Now what I recommend to do is a lot of reps. So the more reps you do from a pass to a shot, the more they're going to get. Okay? Ready? Okay, another modification, if you have a wall or a bump board that you can use, you can give them a bad pass to have them collect a bad pass hard. Okay, and one last thing you can do to modify the same exact drill on forehand is you can take the orange pucks, which are 4 ounces heavier than a standard puck. Okay? When you do this, start with a normal speed pass because you don't want them to break their stick. Just passing, no shooting, okay? This is really going to help them soften up their hands because if they get hit with a hard puck and their hands are rigid, it's going to hurt their hands. Okay? Last piece of this is turn around, backhand. Okay? Backhand passes are an issue for our wingers at times and our centers on the headman pass. So this is another good one to start with. Now I would recommend if you have an orange puck that you want to start with, you can start with that so they get used to cushioning. Okay? You can graduate from the orange puck. Once you do some reps with the orange puck, you can move to a black puck. Okay? With the backhand passes, you have to make sure that you cradle the puck. As it comes, the way you catch the pass is you actually roll over your top wrist and line with the stick, and that's how you capture the puck. Off the pass, and roll it back. Okay? See the difference? Already. Now, once they get that down, you can start to turn up the heat. Take a step forward. Step towards me, gents.